Where we posted every Friday. See them corn emojis, then you know a nigga wildin'. Jaded Gemini till the day I die. And I'ma talk my shit, but I don't play both sides. So nah.
Most of my granddad's romantic life, the internet hadn't been invented yet. So he was still discovering the dangers of online dating.
Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Bruh, granddad was not body positive or face positive.
Nah, he was body positive. That's about it.
He told me, no, he wasn't, because I bet they got decent bodies, but they don't look like the...
Oh my lord. She ain't a vegetarian.
You know what? I've had it. This sucks.
What's wrong with you?
You know what's wrong with me. When was this picture taken? 1964?
You say I don't look like my picture.
I'm saying you probably never look like this damn picture. This ain't you!
So is that all you care about is looks?
Yeah!
Excuse me for thinking you like me for who I was on the inside.
Well, you're a liar on the inside. This whole relationship is based on a lie. An ugly
Relationship.
lie.
Hey, he needs to put that in his bio.
What did I do to deserve this? This is payback for what? What did I do to you? Tell me.
Maybe I should leave. Nigga, you ain't no Denzel. You ain't even no Flavor Flav.
Damn.
After time. They always been alone.
Yeah, your granddad ain't even
Trying to
playing.
be fraud. I be snitching on ugly women all day. I said, give them the chair, not to shoot their ugly asses. I'll pull that switch quick.
Oh,
Hey, he talking about he gonna electrocute the ugly bitches, bro. He said he gonna pull the switch on her, bro. Give him the chair. You know, I was about to say though, what your picture look like? What your default look
no,
like,
I was
granddad?
thinking that too. I was like, what is your bio page? And this is MySpace. Like, man. Not the uh-oh.
That's that Sean Paul.
Right.
You got that right. Bruh.
I'ma save y'all. Not the
I
toe.
think it's a setup. It don't make no sense. Why would she like you?
Just take the toe pics.
Granddaddy gives sweet love.
Now what do you
Yeah,
know
toe
about
pics.
this woman?
Well, her name is Luna. She's a Virgo. Her hobbies include pets, traveling,
And
kickboxing.
stealing from desperate old men. Watch when you go to sleep. I bet she have a gang of niggas up in here to rob us. Yeah.
Look, is that some
Where's
kind
the
of
lie?
Is that what hot in the street? Huh? Is that what you call really hood? Why don't you give her a chance? You ain't even met her yet.
Neither of you. I don't know, Granddad.
I mean,
A whole
yeah,
weekend with
though.
a complete stranger.
It's a $5 drive. Either she was gonna stay here or I pay for a hotel room. Shoot, bad enough I gotta buy all this damn champagne and new sheets. I ain't Jay-Z.
I ain't Jay-Z.
Bro, you definitely should have got a hotel room though.
Yeah, damn kid.
Definitely should have got
I
a
don't know,
hotel.
that's a big ass house. You got him a video vixen. It's lit.
She is fine as hell.
It's lit.
She got the.
Yeah, just like the picture, right?
That.
Sweet Luna, come on in, cutie pie.
You look just like your picture too, except you're wearing clothes.
Well, there's our question to
Hey guys, I'm
answer.
Luna. I hope you don't mind me hanging out with you for the weekend. I'll try and stay out of your way, okay?
Come here, let me show you what the picture.
We don't keep cash in the house.
Straight like that, no curve.
Come on, you want a drink of a soda?
That's a big bitch.
That's a big bitch.
Hey, Riley was
Damn.
always calling out granddad hoes though, every time.
Not the evil laughter face.
Oh, that Larry David is something else. So,
Nigga, who?
you never told me what kind of dogs you have.
I have 1 Dalmatian, 2 retrievers.
Nice.
Oh, and 15 wolves.
Wolves?
15.
You mean like wolf?
Like wolves,
For some
wolves.
reason, wolves really like me. I was raised
For
around
Dalmatians,
wolves.
they're
They
kind of
don't like
violent
really.
too.
If you aren't afraid to establish
Definitely.
dominance, there's nothing wrong with wolves.
That's fascinating. How long you been kickboxing?
Well, I do a lot of martial
Try to
arts.
change the
It's like
subject.
kickboxing, but it's kind of similar. It's called White Lotus Kung Fu.
White Lotus Kung Fu.
White Lotus, that's the deadliest style there is.
Yeah, and it's great exercise.
You never mentioned
She did that shit like,
Kung Fu master.
This crazy
Tai Bo.
ex-boyfriend I had one time, he was a Shaolin monk.
She
I
doing
left him out.
Tai Bo.
Then I ended up having to use it on him, if you know what I mean.
I was about to say that shit ain't.
Well, Huey is very interested in martial arts, and I do a little Taibo myself.
Do a little Taibo.
Did you say kumite?
The what?
What's a kumite? The kumite is a mythical invitation-only martial arts tournament with the deadliest fighters in the world. So you like Jean-Claude Van Damme?
Do you like Jean-Claude Van Damme?
Bro, that is the best fucking thing about this episode. I gotta say, every time they say the Kumite, they whatcha, whatcha.
Bro, that shit's real. Y'all need to look at the Kumite.
Whatcha. Is it?
Very real.
It's real. It's really
It's
real.
really
bro.
real.
That shit really real, bro.
The Kumite is usually held in faraway, mysterious island. So it's a
Mysterious Island.
It's Mortal Kombat. Hey, yo.
Let's go.
They have a
Damn.
room and food,
Super
everything.
spy.
Except for incidental, of course.
It's
You're fighting for your life and you can't get a wine shooter?
Season really good matches, get a tan.
Hey, that's cuz from the other episode.
Kumite is supposed to be a death match, right? You ever kill anybody?
Hey, everybody has to die sometime.
Everybody got that something.
I figure out what the hell bro name was. Afro Samurai looking ass.
Not the Melina finisher. Oh,
They got confetti.
I mean, I'm like, you kill one man, you kill a dozen. It's all the same. I mean, they can only hang you once, right? Am I right? Am I right?
Bushido Jones. That was his name.
Come on now, you leave me hanging.
It's like, yeah, right.
I mean, any rational person with a eye, bro, they ain't.
Crib, granddad.
Kill a kung fu wolf, bitch. She ain't said nothing about no damn Kumite, Kumatu, Kumite, Coon, Black Coon. And now that's her head. Trying to figure out what we gonna do. Huey, what are you gonna do?
You gonna tell her to get the hell out?
I'm not
Right.
gonna tell her to leave. She might hit me with one of them exploding nutsack techniques.
Oh, come on, granddad. She's not a kung fu master. She's crazy.
Shit. Did you
Right.
This is your responsibility.
Hey, I'm willing to stay in the bathroom all night. Where you going?
You two just stay here.
Honestly though, I don't think he would have been in too deep if he would have just said, "Hey man, I ain't really rocking with this. I think I got my stomach messed up. I don't know,
Bro, I got kids in the house, bro. You gonna have to go.
Yeah, we gotta have to link at the hotel,
So
like I
easy.
said.
Recently they all went to the bathroom. Do you think that's weird?
Yes, girl.
Let me call you back. Hey, how's Robert? Is everything okay?
Sure, he's just having some difficulties in the bathroom. So, that's pretty
Yeah,
impressive,
man, O'Reilly.
being a White Lotus master.
Thank you. It was really hard.
It's just, I had heard there were no White Lotus masters left alive.
She got that 50-yard stare, bro. You see
Right.
that?
You would like a demonstration? What about a friendly sparring match?
Bro, with the club fit on. Like,
Wait, about to get your ass whooped in
Right.
stiletto heels, my boy.
real quick.
Ooh.
Bro, she beating up this little
Ooh.
boy, though. Oh my god, she's
Ooh.
bleeding.
She hit him with an elbow.
Oh no.
Not they heard
I
the
thought it
ass
was a
whooping.
friendly sparring match.
No, that was a friendly fade.
Get out while we can.
So we gotta get out.
Bro, she
Yeah.
ripped his shirt with the stiletto. You see that?
Yes.
Damn. Yeah.
I can't believe it.
It's a no-go.
Come up in my house in front of
The
this
big old-
Bro, y'all still up in that big, bro?
How am I supposed to be relaxed? The woman is a trained killer. Do you know the story of Brenda
Bro,
Ritchie?
y'all hiding in the
Richie's
room.
wife.
No, Lionel Richie's ex-wife. It was 1988. Brenda Ritchie had just
Oh my god.
Hey, you noticed that they rickrolled this?
Yes.
Hey, what the fuck?
But I will catch you up in here with that white bitch.
Oh
But they-
my. Oh no, not Lionel Richie.
I was about to say you ain't even
No.
going. Okay.
Oh no.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, upside his head, upside his nose.
Stomp him in the nuts.
Daniel.
Ooh. Ooh.
Terrible.
Never gonna think about it.
They literally showed this lady stomping him in the nuts. Like, I am appalled right now.
What God?
I think he was in the bathroom all night.
That's fine, girl. You don't need to be giving him no ass yet anyway. I say make a man wait until he's resentful. That always works.
Oh, I don't know.
Bro, who's
Girl,
your
hang
friend?
up, right?
Do all y'all have a friend like that?
No.
I'm so
That's
stupid.
good.
Why did I do that?
Okay, let's hear the story one more time.
Man, no, I feel like all women have a
No,
mad
they
friend.
don't.
Very suddenly while working out, and they think
Not
I'm a heart
one.
attack. They're not sure. We weren't very close. Yeah, they say that. We weren't very close, but I need to fly out there immediately to support my family members. Yeah.
Good.
Not
Get
even
that over,
one?
we gonna
Bro,
shoot
how
that
about
bitch.
just
You sure you
say,
don't believe that?
I have
Granddad,
kids in my
story
house,
time. Under no
and you just beat
circumstances
one of
you
them
change
up.
that
You
story.
gotta go.
Got it?
Fidel Castro.
Oh yeah, way back. I call him P Diddy. But you know what I forgot? Today is Fidel Castro's birthday, and
This
I'm
nigga
trying to
sweating.
party. So I gotta fly out there, but I forgot, stupid me, I forgot to buy some balloons. So Jay-Z is gonna
Oh
loan
my
me some invited me to
God.
Cuba for Fidel Castro's birthday party that I'm planning, like I said earlier. Yeah.
Wow. I thought you were going to tell me you thought I was crazy and you didn't want to see me again like the others.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
I'm enjoying this time with you. Are you kidding? I'm not blowing you off. Oh, no way. In fact, I was just telling Huey I would love to pursue a romantic relationship with you. Definitely.
Bro, he is tripping.
I'll call you.
I'll be like, bro, I'm old as fuck. I'm taking care of kids.
Yeah.
I can't
I
do
got
all
too
the
much
shit
going
that
on,
you doing,
bro.
bro.
You too fine for me.
I'd have been like, you need to go.
Cutie.
You remember that other girl he was with, and they were actually like a match?
Yeah, he ruined it.
He
He's like, you're
ruined
too
it.
good for me.
Don't come back too soon.
He always
About
get 'em,
30
though.
years, maybe.
30 years, maybe.
Like crazy internet women.
I really thought you blew it there with the Fidel Castro story.
Yeah. When he wanna be, your granddaddy is a master of deception.
No.
Fidel Castro's birthday. Now you know that shit don't even sound right.
Man, Nadja, I feel like a lot of girls do got a friend like this.
Well, then that's your opinion. You can have it.
You home early? I don't give a fuck.
'Cause she's not wrong.
He said he didn't let me back soon.
Soon? When is soon? Remember when Kenny said soon? Remember when Jamal said soon? Did any of them niggas call you that?
You're right.
And just so you know, I googled Fidel Castro's birthday. It isn't until August 13th.
That's a good friend if you ask me. Hey, yo, what did you say?
Mm-hmm. You see, girl, that's why I'm by myself.
Okay, I see why you're like, nah.
Yeah.
That's why I'm by myself.
I mean, look.
She must be nutty as squirrel shit.
If you do have a friend, ask it like that. Ask yourself, are you getting any type of play? And is your friend getting any type of play? 'Cause, yeah, nah, that shit's weird.
What?
I found him. He's in an apartment with another man.
Oh, see? What did I tell you? See, that's exactly why I don't have a man. Because all these niggas is gay.
No, they're just playing checkers.
Oh, what girl? How his friend look?
Help.
Just crazy. All that stuff they do to their hair. Straighteners and relaxers and activators and tight braids. Still look like I ate with a pretty head of hair.
I don't think his friend likes the sisters too much.
Yeah, you don't say.
Isn't that a surprise? That's exactly why I don't have a man now.
I'm about to jump out the window.
That's like her catchphrase, bro.
Me too, baby.
Well, at least I got that crazy bitch out of my house.
What happened, girl? Where he's at?
He told his friend I'm crazy. He said Luna was crazy.
That's not what he said. He called you a crazy bitch.
Kidnap and torture his ass.
Okay. I hope you do not have a friend like this.
What the
Absolutely
fuck?
not. I forgot about that part right there. I forgot she told her to do it.
A lot of this could have been prevented. Her friend was just over here telling her to do shit this whole
Where's
time.
Granddaddy? He's not here. I'll call his cell. His phone's dead.
Don't worry, boys.
Now she got the
I just wanna
impact.
have a friendly chat with your grandfather about honesty.
No, Luna.
Yeah.
Told you we should have shot that bitch.
Y'all probably should have, for real.
She's gone. She's gone. Yes, she is. She's gone.
Oh my God! This is freaking yoked
Oh
him
no, you
up.
can't even sing in your own house. Well, game
There you go.
over.
Ah!
She got a gun for him.
Robert, you're just like the other.
What lie?
That's a big ass gun.
Oh, you mean the Fidel Castro Jay-Z birthday party lie? Look, everybody lies. I love it when people lie to me. It means they can't have to spare my feelings.
I heard you tell your friend I was crazy. And that was Hello?
Don't tell the truth, my nigga.
Yeah, I got him.
Now remember, none of this was your fault. This man took your weekend from you. 2 days you'll never get back.
So you are just gonna take his
First
life.
48 hours. Go put my dog on the first 48 over 48 hours. Bro, break the window.
It's Tom.
This fucking asshole.
Right on time.
Tom ain't got the fucking.
We didn't wanna, we didn't woo, we didn't wanna, we.
Either of you make a sound.
We
I
didn't.
will frustrate your grandfather with this broomstick.
Boys, don't
Oh my
make
God.
any noise. Oh, hi. You must be Robert's weekend visitor, Luna. I'm Tom. May I speak to Robert or the boys, please?
They're not in. I'll tell them you stopped by.
Can I, use the bathroom?
Is there something wrong with your bathroom?
This might seem strange.
Aw.
Do you think maybe I can come in and inspect the house?
Inspect the house.
Oh, jeez. Well, this is awkward, but, how do I do this? Okay.
Bro, you should have just walked away.
From Huey this morning, and it reads, Dear Tom, my granddad kicked a woman named Luna, that would be you, out of the house, and she may return and murder the whole family. Please check on us periodically this weekend. Best regards, Huey Freeman. P.S. If she says we're not in, please ask to search the house. We may be locked in our rooms.
Oh, catch things up.
Yeah, I am so sure that's true. It's just that he
Nigga
goes
sound like
on to
me.
say, P.P.S. There's absolutely no chance my granddad patched things up with this woman.
I see.
Blah, 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 P.P.S. Be
Bro,
careful.
you should have read that.
Right.
You should have read that whole letter faster.
Damn, the freaking wood from the floorboards.
Luna, this is Tom's problem now. Leave Tom out of this. But leave me out of this first. Let me go.
Falling in love with you, Robert. You're just like all the others.
Others? Who are these others?
Right.
Oh,
So
no.
she told them the very, very, very sad story of Luna.
Damn.
I was raised in a broken and abusive household.
This chicken is cold.
Ah.
When I turned 17, I ran away to Hong Kong, where I met triad boss Kenny Wu. my
How did you
first
get
love.
over there?
This chicken is cold.
Ah.
After that, I had one terrible relationship after another. I suffered every kind of abuse imaginable. Verbal.
I told you not to wash my bloody skin.
And why is she always with like military?
Spiritual.
Oh damn.
Talk about won't you go me? You ain't shit without me. You without me equals shit. You understand that?
How does she?
That's what I was just about to say, bro.
Now let me borrow your car.
And then there was that summer I dated Jim Brown.
I was about to say, bro.
You get it. You had a lot
No.
of bad relationships. Maybe you should go see a therapist.
This isn't my fault. My friend Nicole said this man like you, Robert, who lie and avoid commitment. If I could just find a man who loved me.
Nah, you need to go to therapy, sis. And your friend need to go to therapy.
I left this out of the house because I was afraid you'd do something like this. And look, I was right. Don't
Exactly,
take your
bro.
chance out on other people. That's the first step to a lonely life. And what was it about you that made you keep dating those kind of men? And you can't kidnap people just because they don't like you. It's not a good look, Luna.
It's not.
Right. I didn't even want to kidnap you. I was listening to my stupid girlfriend Nicole.
Okay.
Oh, I'm never gonna get.
You should have right then just been like, please stop listening to her.
Right.
You might have even could have patched this up and just had a bodyguard.
Nah, cause Nicole crazy ass probably would have popped up at the house.
Hey, if you got a bodyguard that went to the Kumite, watcha, you're good. But
Get married. I might as well just blow myself up right now.
Damn.
No! Wait, Luna, you have another choice. You're a beautiful, talented woman. And once you let go of the past, you'll be able to have any man you want.
I don't know.
Oh my
Are
God.
you sure I shouldn't just blow myself up?
No! Luna, it's like the great
Yes, I am
Billy
sure.
Planks always says.
Billy
Take control
Planks.
of your life. Take responsibility.
that's the Tybo nigga.
You're right. I should take
See, bitch, you
responsibility.
should have been doing Tybo this whole time.
That's all it took.
That's all it took.
Everything's okay, Nicole.
That is
You told me
all
to
it
take
took.
responsibility and let go of the past.
So you do all of that. He gonna marry you then?
You know what? He didn't say.
Bruh.
Luna, that means no. Oh my God, girl, I am so sorry. You told this man your life story and he just dished you like that? If a man said that to me, oh my God, I don't
See?
think I can handle it. I
See?
would just freaking die.
See?
And that was the day Miss Luna decided to take responsibility for her own actions.
Still there? Why didn't she leave?
Damn.
Maybe she's still talking to her friend.
Well, I hope her friend isn't giving her more bad.
Well,
Okay. Then that was the day Miss Luna let her girlfriend talk her into blowing herself up instead of taking responsibility for her own actions.
yep.
This weekend sucked, and it was all your fault, Granddad.
No, dead ass. It is all your fault, bruh.
Definitely should have just listened to Riley and shot that bitch.
Hello? Hello? What was that noise? Anyway, like I said, girl, if a man ever said that to me, I'll kill myself. I mean, you a stronger woman than me. Hello? Hello? A life without a man to take care of your ass ain't worth living. So go back in there, girl, and torture him until he proposes. That's what you need to do.
All right. Moral of the story: do not have a friend like that, I guess, because they will make you a very ravenous person that ends up very self-destructive in the end. Oh my God.
No, for real. That was intense.
My goodness. Definitely just as funny as I remember though. Kumite. Woo!